Find equivalent capacitance in given figure between A and B. A. This is given figure. This is A, this is B. This is the figure. Here capacitors in series. Y single path for charge between these points. Therefore, 1 by Cs, 1 by C, 1 by C, 1 by C, it is 3 by C, or Cs is C by 3. B. This is the figure. A, B, C, C, C. Equivalent capacitance between A and B in given figure. Here capacitors are in parallel. Therefore, Cp is C plus C plus C, or Cp comes out to be 3C. This is capital A, this is capital B. C, 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 C. C. This is small a, this is a small b. These are points A and B. C is capacitance of each capacitor. Here, bridge is balanced. What is balancing condition? This upon this. There are 5 capacitors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This by this, if this by this is equal, bridge is said to balance. D, E. So, capacitor between D and E is neglected. This is neglected, this one. This was A, this was B, and here it was small a, it was small b. This is neglected. The figure is this. Redraw figure. Both are in series. Both are in series. This is C by 2 series. This is C by 2. This is C. This is A. This is B. Redraw figure. These are in parallel. So this will be this is capital B. Parallel, so C by 2 is C. And this is C. This is A point. This is B point. Hence, capacitance between A and B. It is C by 2. Now they are in series. So 1 by C is capacitance. Equivalent capacitance 1 by C, 1 by C. It is 2 by C. So C by 2. Two capacitors are connected in series as shown. Two microfarad, 3 microfarad. Find equivalent capacitance this is first question. Both are in series. Why they are in series? Single path for charge to flow. Single path. So 1 by C, 1 by C1, 1 by C2, it is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, it is 6, 3 plus 2. Or C is 6 by 5 microfarad, or C is 6 by 5, means 1.2 10 to minus 6 farad. B. This was first question. B. Charge through each capacitor. This is second question. This charge will flow through this same charge, single path. So Q CB, C minus 6, V 100. So it is 1.2 10 की minus 4 coulomb through each capacitor. C. Potential difference across each capacitor. This is third question. Like this is potential difference here. This is potential difference here. V Q by C. V1 Q same by C1 Q 1.2 10 की minus 4 C1 2 10 की minus 6. It is 60 volt. B2 Q C2 Q 1.2 minus 4 C2 3 minus 6. It is 40 volt. Next question. Energy stored in 3 microfarad capacitor. U2 in this only. Half C2 V2 square. Half is half C2. It is 3 micro. V2 square 40. It is 2. 20. 24. 1, 2, minus 4. 2.4 divided by 10 multiplied by 10 minus 3. Energy joules. Electric network as shown. C1 100 picofarad, C2 200 picofarad, volt, C3 200 picofarad, C4 100 picofarad. This is electric network. A. Find equivalent capacitance. C2, C3 in series. Therefore 1 by C dash 200, 200, 2 by 100, C dash 100 picofarad. Redraw figure. C1 100 picofarad, C dash, it is 100 picofarad, it is 300 volt, C4, it is 100 picofarad. Now this is the charge. There are two parts. So now C dash and C are in parallel. Therefore C double dash, C dash plus C1 100 plus 100, it is 200 picofarad. Redraw figure. This is one now, and that one is C double dash. This is C4, and this one 300 volt. Now single path. C double dash and C4 in series. Therefore 1 by C double dash, 1 by C4, 1 by 200, 1 by 100. It is 200, 1 plus 2, or C is 200 by 3 picofarad, or C 200 by 3 10 की minus 12 farad. One answer is there. B. Charge through each capacitor. Now this is the charge. Though this Q charge will flow through C dash, through C4. Q, CV, C. This is C and this is V. One, two, three, four. Therefore, Q4 means charge through this 2 10 minus 8 coulomb. Charge through C dash is same. This one or this one same. And what is C dash? C dash is this one and this one. There are two paths for charge. Same capacitances, same. Charge through C dash, half and half. Half and half. Therefore, charge through C1 is equal to C2 is equal to C3 is equal to 10 minus 8 coulomb. Why? This Q charge is flowing equal, so it will be Q by 2. It will be Q by 2. Now, through C1, half. Now, what is C dash? This ये Q by 2 है. Same charge will flow through it. Same will flow through it. C. Potential difference across each capacitor. V1 Q1 by C1. What is Q1? 100 pico. C1. What is Q1? Q1 is this. Through C1, C2, C3 was same. So Q1 is 10 raised to power minus 8 by C1. 100 pico. So it is 100 volt. V2 100 potential difference across each capacitor. V4. Look here. It is Q4, C4. Q4. Q4 was this. C4. C4 was 100 pico, 200 volt. Therefore, V double dash 100 volt. Why? Total is 300. Now they are in series. If it is 200, this will be 100. C double dash. C double dash is here. 100 is here. Hence, V1, 100 is here. They are in parallel. So V1 is 100 volt. And 100 volt is across V dash. V dash 100 volt. Now they are in series. They are in series. So V2, V3, 50 volt. D. Energy stored in combination, that is U. It means total half CV square, half C. C was this. This was C. V square. So it is 100. 3 by 2 means 1.32. So it is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 12, so minus 6 joules. A capacitor made of flat plate. This is flat plate of capacitor, this one. And second plate having stair-like structure. This is second plate, stair-like structure. This is flat plate. This is having stair-like structure. This is area. This width is A by 3. This height is D. Find capacitance of this arrangement. Suppose this plate is positive, then this will be negative. There are 3 capacitors now. One, C1, other, C2, other, C3. Now negative connected with negative. And positive of these 3 is connected with positive, so they are in parallel. So C1 epsilon naught A, this is A by D. or it is epsilon naught A by 3D. C2, epsilon A is this, D, this is D now, this D plus this D, 2D. It comes out to be epsilon naught A 6D. C3, epsilon naught A is here A by 3 and D is here 3 by D. Epsilon naught A by 9D. Now, they are in parallel. Why in parallel? Negative of each connected with negative, positive of each connected with positive. Therefore, equivalent capacitance C1 plus C2 plus C3. C1, epsilon naught A by 3D, epsilon naught A by 6D, epsilon naught A by 9D. Epsilon naught common, A common, 3D common. It is 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3. Epsilon naught common, A common, 3D was common. LCM 3, LCM 6. So it is 6, it is 3, it is 2. So it is 11, epsilon naught A, 18D. A parallel plate capacitor is filled with two dielectrics as shown. Find its capacitance, capacity. This is dielectric constant K1. This is K2. This is area. It is D. A by 2. This is the C1. Epsilon naught K1 A is here of this. This is one capacitor now. By D is same. Epsilon naught K1 A by 2D. Similarly, C2, it is epsilon naught K2. This is dielectric constant or relative permittivity. Now, they are in parallel. Why they are in parallel? Suppose it is plus. So plus is connected with plus, then this will be minus. Minus will be connected with minus, so they are in parallel. Therefore C1 plus C2. C1 epsilon naught K1A by 2D. Epsilon naught K2A by 2D. Epsilon naught common, A common, 2D common. It is K1 plus K2. Parallel, another question, parallel plate, capacitor filled with two dielectrics as shown. Find capacity, capacitance, K1 K2 this is D. This one D by 2. This is A. So this is capacitor plates, half dielectric K1, half K2. See, this is plus and this is minus. So plus, so for this here it will be minus, here it will be plus. Minus with plus, they are in series. C1 epsilon naught A by D, 2 epsilon naught A by D. Similarly C2 epsilon K1 A, epsilon naught K1 A. Similarly, 2 epsilon naught K2 A by D. These are in parallel. Sorry, these are in series. Why series? This is plus, this is minus. So this is one capacitor, this is second. If this is plus, this will be minus. If this is minus, this will be plus. So minus connected with plus, they are in series. So 1 by C is 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 1 by C1 D 2 epsilon naught K1 A D 2 epsilon naught K2 A D common 2 common epsilon naught common K common 1 by K1 plus 1 by K2 or it is D 2 epsilon naught A LCM it is K1 K2 K2 plus K1 solve it, then C comes out to be 2 epsilon naught A K1 K2 D K1 plus K2. Parallel plate capacitor is filled with 3 dielectrics as shown. Find its capacity. This is K1, this is K2, this is K3 plus minus, this is D by 2, D by 2, A by 2, A by 2. Now C1 epsilon naught K1 A by 2 D. It is epsilon naught K1 A by 2 D. C2 epsilon naught K2 A by 2 D by 2. it comes out to be epsilon naught K2 A by D. C3 similarly epsilon naught K3 A by D. Now C2 and C3 are in series. Therefore 1 by C dash मान लिया इनका इसमें, they are in series. ये प्लस, ये यहाँ माइनस, ये प्लस, ये माइनस, ये माइनस है तो ये प्लस, तो माइनस विद प्लस दे आर इन सीरीज. 1 by C2, 1 by C3 D epsilon naught K2 A D epsilon naught K3 A. D common, epsilon naught common, A common, K2 K3. It is D epsilon naught A K3 K2 K2 K3 और C dash epsilon naught A K2 K3 D K2 K3. ये C dash हो गया. This one C1 and C dash in parallel. Therefore C1 plus C dash. C1, this was C1, epsilon naught K1 A 2D plus epsilon naught A K2 K3 D K2 plus K3 epsilon naught common, A common, D common. It is K1 by 2, it is K2 K3 K2 plus K3. तो दिस इज कैपेसिटेंस. फर्दर सॉल्व करना चाहो फर्दर कर सकते हो आप.